Hey guys, look at this. Today, we are going to play with animal patterns. Huh? The animals are gone! We gotta find them! Aha! Let's put these animals together. It's a pig. Where does it go? Ah, here! This is a crocodile. Here it goes. It's a rabbit. I'll put it here. A dog. It's a hedgehog. Here is its place. A hippo. This animal is a fox. And this guy here is a bear. A cat. It's a lion. Here you go. Oops, wrong. This is an elephant. And this is a sheep. Now what? Ah, a puzzle piece. We've got a sheep. Sheep can remember faces and solve problems. Sheep have rectangular pupils and they can see really well. Where shall we put it? I know. Here the sheep goes. Let's assemble this puzzle. Can you see this piece? Here it is. I'll put it in its place. Next one. Aha! How about this piece? This is the one we need. The next animal. This is the head. How about this piece? Here it is. And one more. Which piece is it? This one. Yes, and the last animal is left. This is the head. Next one. Is it this one or this? Gotcha! And the last piece. Here it is. A new animal. Yay! It's a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals with unique spot patterns. Their necks, legs, and tongues are super long. Where does our giraffe go? Here? No, its place is here. Now let's sort these items. A blue flower goes into the green? No! Blue bucket! I'll put yellow bananas into the yellow bucket. Green grapes go into the green bucket. And the orange butterfly flies into the orange bucket. Woohoo! A new piece of the puzzle! It's a butterfly! Butterflies use their feet to taste things like we use our tongues. They are also cold-blooded and need warmth to move. Where should the butterfly land? On this pretty pattern. Let's fill in the needed numbers. Aha! 0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Yay, a new animal! It's a fish! Fish have a backbone like humans, dogs, and cats. They use their gills to take oxygen from the water. They don't have lungs. Let's put our fish in its place. Ta-da! This animal is a panda. What food does it like? Bamboo. This is a bear. Bears like honey. It's a rabbit. It eats carrots. This animal is a hedgehog. It looks for mushrooms. It's a rooster. It snacks on grains. It's a mouse. Mice love cheese. This is a cat. It eats fish. It's a monkey. Monkeys munch on bananas. This bird likes eating berries. It's a squirrel. These animals love nuts. A dog. Dogs gnaw on bones. It's a cow. Cows eat grass. Yay, we did it! A new puzzle piece! A cow! Cows' stomachs have 4 special parts called chambers. This helps cows digest their food, mostly grass. What's the cow's pattern? Right! Look at this ladybug. 1 spot, here it goes. This ladybug has 2 spots. This is its place. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 spots. I'll put it here. Next ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it goes. This red ladybug has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is its place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. Let's put it here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it goes. This ladybug has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spots. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 10 spots. Do we have a new puzzle piece? Yes! It's a ladybug. Ladybug's bright colors warn others that they are not tasty. Ladybugs spend the winter sleeping to keep themselves warm. Where shall we put our ladybug? Right here. We need to make a rainbow. Red! Orange! Yellow! Green! Blue! Dark blue! Let's give our rainbow some company. Yay, a new animal! It's a turtle! Turtles have shells made of bones. It's not one piece. They don't have teeth, but they have strong beaks that help them eat. Where shall we put our turtle? Here it goes. Wait, where are you going? No, it's dangerous! Yes, this is a safe way to cross the road. And here's our reward. It's a zebra. Each zebra has its own unique stripe pattern. Zebras live in groups, and they often groom each other. Where is its pattern? Here it is. Oh, that's fun. A red bee. An orange bee. A green bee. A light blue bee. A purple bee. A yellow bee. A blue bee. Another animal. It's a bee. Bees can smell things from far away and use their sense of smell to find flowers. Bees help plants grow by taking pollen from flower to flower. Where shall we put the bee? Here is its pattern. Woohoo! We did it, guys! All animals got their patterns back. Bye, see you soon.